Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve fifth root 9 power 13 plus 9 power x by 9 power x plus 9 power 3 is equals to 9 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write this as 9 power 13 plus 9 power x by 9 power x plus 9 power 3 whole power 1 by 5 because nth root a, we can write it as a power 1 by n is equals to 9. So to eliminate this power, I am going to multiply with power 5 both sides. So we can cancel out this. And what is left? 9 power 13 plus 9 power x by 9 power x plus 9 power 3 is equals to 9 power 5. Now I am doing cross multiplication. So 9 power 13 plus 9 power x times 1 is same. So 9 power 5 in bracket 9 power x plus 9 power 3. Now 13 I can break it as 9 power 8 plus 5 plus 9 power x is equals to here 9 power 5 times 9 power x plus 9 power 5 times 9 power 3. According to exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So it becomes 9 power 8 times 9 power 5 plus 9 power x is equals to 9 power 5 times 9 power x plus, again I'm going to use this rule. So x power m times x power n is equals to x power m plus n. So 9 power 5 plus 3, which is 9 power 8. Now I'm taking this 9 power 8 to other side and 9 power x to this side. So 9 power 8 times 9 power 5 minus 9 power 8 is equals to 9 power 5 times 9 power x plus minus 9 power x. So I can take 9 power 8 as common. So 9 power 5 minus 1. And if I'll take 9 power x as common, so 9 power 5 minus 1. So 9 power 8, we can cancel out this. Is equals to 9 power x. We know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So the value of x is 8. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.